In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process of how to return something on Amazon. And no, you don't need to get stressed out, it's actually very simple. Step 1, click on the link in the description and it'll take you directly to your orders, which will look something like this. If you still can't find it, you can just go to the link in the description and click on returns and orders right here on the top right. On this page, scroll down until you see the item that you'd like to return. For example, I might want to return this scrubber that I got from my shower. So all I would have to do is find the item, which is right here, and click return or replace items. Then on this page, it'll actually tell you whether or not that item was eligible for returns. So it turned out this item was not eligible for returns, so I'll return something else. For the case of this video, I'm going to show you how I would return these blue light blocking glasses right here. So I would just select these as the item I wanted to return, and then it would ask me why I'm returning this item. For this example, I'll just choose that I didn't need it and that the item is fine, but I no longer needed it. And then it requires you to type something, so I'm just going to say didn't need, and I can press continue. Then you can choose how you want your refund. So I can either refund it to my Amazon balance or to the card that I paid on. And in general, you may as well return it to the card that you paid on in case you want to buy something else that isn't on Amazon. Then simply press continue. Now here, Amazon will give me a bunch of return options. Like it lets me return it at Staples, Kohl's, or the UPS store. Most of these don't even require you to bring a box or a label, so you can just come into the store with your item and they'll handle the rest. But watch out for ones like this one where the box and label are needed, or this one where they're actually going to charge you to do the return. So for me, since UPS is closest, I would just pick this one and then I would just click confirm my return. Now I'm not actually going to click it since I don't need to return this item, but after you clicked continue, the last page would show you something like this with a QR code that would be shown in app and would also be seen on your email. Now all that's left would be bringing that item to the shipping company, letting them know I have an Amazon return, show them the QR code, and then give them the item that you're trying to return. And that's basically it. If this video helped you out, consider leaving a like because it helps me make these videos completely for free for you. Peace.